Myself, Dr. Sushma Jain, Associate Professor Chemistry, Government Dugar College, Bikaner. Today I shall discuss about the aromatic nucleophilic substitution, which is in Unit 3rd, Paper 2nd and MSc Previous. In this top unit, we discuss the reactivity in aromatic nucleophilic substitution in terms of the effect of substrate structure. The first mechanism we discussed in the last turn, the SNAR mechanism. Now, today we shall discuss about the effect of substrate structure in SNAR mechanism. Since in aromatic nucleophilic substitution there is only one living group in a molecule, so much attention focused on reactivity of substrate structure. Benzene ring that lacks activating groups, that is the electron withdrawing group, are generally not useful as a substrate for the SNAR mechanism because the two extra electron present in the antibonding orbitals, the activating group by withdrawing electron density, these with electron withdrawing group stabilize the intermediate anion. So, the presence of electron withdrawing group in the molecule stabilize the intermediate anion. Therefore, it is necessary for the reaction that the presence of electron withdrawing substituent in the aromatic ring. The substitution by SNAR mechanism are accelerated by electron withdrawing group, especially in ortho and para position to leaving group, and hindered by the electron donating group. As we increase the number of electron withdrawing group in the chlorobenzene reacted with sodium methoxide in methanol at 50 degrees centigrade, the rate of reaction increases in this direction. The rate of reaction of para-nitrochlorobenzene is greater than chlorobenzene, and 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene is greater than para-nitrochlorobenzene, and 2,4,6-trinitrochlorobenzene is greater than 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene. The relative rates increase in this direction. When electron withdrawing group present at ortho and para position, they withdraw electrons from the ring and stabilize the intermediate anion, that is called carbanion. The electron withdrawing group present at ortho position of leaving group. Here the structure, this is the electron withdrawing group and X is the uh, leaving group. Here this electron withdrawing group and this is the leaving group. The nucleophile attack at the ipso position. Here the electron moved from this carbon to this carbon atom, therefore this carbon atom bears positive charge and this carbon atom bears negative charge. So the nucleophile attack at the positively charged carbon atom which contain the leaving group, therefore this position is called ipso position. So after attack of nucleophile, the intermediate carbanion is formed here, and this carbanion is stabilized by the resonance. The electron moved from this carbon displacement to this carbon atom, therefore this carbon atom acquired negative charge and this acquired positive charge, and the adjacent carbon atom has negative charge, therefore this carbon and this carbon atom forms the bond. So next resonating structure of this type is formed. Now due to electron displacement, the electron of bonding displaced to this carbon atom, therefore this carbon atom acquired positive charge and this acquired negative charge. Here this carbon atom has negative charge, therefore this carbon and this carbon atom formed a covalent bond, and we obtained the third resonating structure We can write this third resonating structure into this way. In this structure, the two unlike charges plus and minus, these two are unlike charges, therefore these charges present at adjacent atom, so this structure is more stable structure among in these structures, and this is also the resonating structure of this carbon ion. So when the nucleophile attack at the ipso position of ortho of the of the ring which contains the electron withdrawing group at the ortho position, the special stability containing intermediate anion is formed. So so nucleophilic attack is possible at the this position. Electron withdrawing group present at para position of leaving group. Here the electron withdrawing group is nitro group and X is the halogen which is the electron leaving group. Then the nucleophile attack to the ipso position where the leaving group present, the electron displacement occur from this carbon to this carbon atom, so this carbon atom bear negative charge and this carbon atom acquired positive charge. The nucleophile attack to this carbon atom and we obtain the resonating structure of carbon ion. These types, in these structures one structure is formed which has the extra stability due to the presence of adjacent unlike charges. So the presence of electron withdrawing group to the leaving group, the reactivity of the this compound is increased and therefore the nucleophilic attack is possible very easily. Electron withdrawing group present at meta position of leaving group. Then here the NO2 is the electron withdrawing group which is meta position to the leaving group X, and the nucleophilic attack occur at ipso position, the position where the substituent X is present. The electron displacement is occur here from this carbon to this carbon atom, so this carbon atom acquire positive charge and this carbon atom acquire negative charge, and nucleophilic attack takes place at this positively charged carbon atom and we get this type of the carbon ion. Here the electron displacement of this carbon ion is takes place. The electron moves from this carbon to this carbon atom, so this carbon atom takes positive charge and this carbon atom acquired negative charge. Here the adjacent carbon atom has negative charge, so this carbon and this carbon atom form the covalent bond. So next structure, this type of the structure is formed, and in the next structure the electron displacement from this carbon to this carbon atom, therefore this carbon atom has positive charge and this carbon atom acquire negative charge. Here negative, here positive, they make the covalent bond. So the third structure, this type of the form. In all these three structures there is no structure is formed which has the special stability. So the nucleophilic attack is possible if the electron withdrawing group is present either ortho position or para position, not meta position. The most common activating group is nitro group and most common suitable substrate are 2,4-dinitrophenyl halide and 2,4,6-dinitrophenyl halide. Polyfluorobenzene C6F6 also undergo nucleophilic aromatic substitution quite well. Heteroion atoms are also activating, especially to alpha and gamma position. Thus 2 and 4 chloropyridine used as substrate for the aromatic nucleophilic substitution. For common substituent following is the order of uh, decreasing ability to activate aromatic ring for SNAR substituent. Here the N2 plus has the greatest ability for SNAR mechanism, and H and CO minus is the lowest ability for the nucleophilic substitution. The order of ability decreases into this direction. Now, the benzene mechanism, the effect of substrate structure, we can explain in case benzene mechanism. In this reaction, the mechanism involve the benzene or arine intermediate. Two factors affect the position of the incoming group. One, which the direction in which the arine forms. When there are groups ortho or para to the leaving group, there is no choice. Here the this here the Z and X both are in ortho position, so only one type of the benzene intermediate is formed. And when the Z and X both are in para position, so either this type or this type of the benzene intermediate form, and these two are the identical. So but when group meta to the leaving group, the arine can be formed into two different way. When this Z substituent is meta to the leaving group X, therefore the proton removal can be takes place either from this carbon atom or from this carbon atom. When the proton removal takes place from this carbon atom, then the intermediate benzene is formed this type, and when the proton removal is takes place from this carbon atom, then this type of the benzene is formed. In such cases, more acidic hydrogen is removed if Z is the substituent present in the ring. The Z is exerting minus I effect, so it favors the removal of ortho hydrogen, and if Z exert the plus I effect, then it favors the removal of para hydrogen. The second factor in is that the arine once formed can be attacked at two positions. The favored position for nucleophilic attack is the one that leads to more stable carbanion intermediate, and also depend on the field effect of Z. If the substituent Z is has minus I effect, then the more stable carbanion is one in which the negative charge is closer to the substituent Z. And when Z exert the plus I effect, then the more stable carbanion is that which has the negative charge farther from the substituent Z. So we can explain this by the examples. When Z has minus I effect, this is the compounds in which the substituent OCH3 has minus I effect, and therefore this type of the benzene is formed, and this benzene attacked by the nucleophile and form the more stable intermediate in which the negative charge nearer to the group Z. Z is the OMe group, and therefore the more stable intermediate this type is formed. Therefore the major product is the meta substituted product is the major product, and minor product is the ortho substituted product. So when the Z is exerting minus I effect, the major product will be the meta product. When Z exert the plus I effect, here the Z is the CH3 group exert the plus I effect. Therefore in such case This type of the benzene is formed, but attack of nucleophile NH2, the more stable anion is formed, in which the negative charge is farther from the CH3 group. CH3 group exert the plus I effect, so the negative charge away from the this plus I effect exerting group, and this anion is the more stable than this anion. So the major project will be formed. The ortho product is product, and the minor product is the meta product, which is formed by this anion. Thank you.